Welcome to Quality Homes' newly renovated Kenilworth Showroom. We're excited to give you a sneak peek at some of the unique features you'll discover at our flagship location. Here, you'll learn more about our process, our designs, and what you can expect when you build with Quality Homes. The showroom features an array of finishes from our vendor partners, the same finishes that you can choose for your quality home. When you build with Quality Homes, Kenilworth will be where you come for your plan reviews, personal selection day, and meetings with your building consultant. Thanks for stopping by. We look forward to seeing you.